Welcome back to 15th Street Automotive. Customer's concern on this one is a growling noise from the engine that changes with engine speed. Here idly, here at higher RPMs. Let's take a look.
Thing we need to do is get this belt off of here, and this is pretty tricky because it's way down in here.
So here's that pulley. If you spin this thing, you can hear it right there. Might picking up on that. And here's the new one, nice and smooth. Alright, with the belt on and the pulley on, noise is gone. This one's fixed. See you down the road.